Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also guys follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any single updates I'll be giving to you guys. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So once again, click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what you'll be expecting on our GBPJPY for the week. So let's start with our trend right here. So we can clearly see that our trend on GBPJPY is a trend to the upside. This is very clear trend movement to the upside, right? Our trend says we are in an uptrend. That is the overall trend. Now, when you zoom it in and you take a look at the current trend, what the market is doing currently, you would also see that we are also trending to the upside. This is the current trend. Current trend also says we are trending upward. The bigger trend says that we are trending upward. Current trend says we are trending upward. The bigger trend says we are also trending upward. Now let's take a look at what on this current trend what market is doing right here. So you would see that market is giving us a series of higher high, higher low. We are having a series of higher high and higher low, right? Now, well, after we've gotten this higher high and then higher low, so we can see it here. High, higher low. This is our higher high, higher low. This is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low on JPY. This is our higher high. So guys, anytime soon, have it in mind that JPY will start giving us an higher low. So whatever you want to do, have it in mind that an higher low will be coming anytime soon on GBPJPY. So have that in mind. So do not forget that an higher low is likely to start displaying anytime soon. So be very, very careful. If you are still on the buy, it will be best to start taking and start creating some profits as an higher low, which will be a pullback. Will start playing probably in 2 weeks or in 3 weeks or even in 2 months' time. Can't tell when it will happen. Definitely, it will be coming soon. Now let's see on this our daily time. So this is our high here, especially for trend traders. This is your higher low. This is also the higher high that JPY did, then it gave an higher low, then market did higher high, and then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up and higher high, here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again and did an higher high. Now market is currently forming an higher low. So is this higher low over? Definitely not. So we still anticipating for more higher low to be. So if the higher low still continues to play out, then we will be anticipating for more. See, probably you might see that higher low drop to a level of 207. This is my prediction. Higher low back to a level of 207. So once markets can drop and there's an higher low to a level of 207, then we can now start looking for a setup. GBPJPY. So whatever market does, all we just need to do is keep our open. If there will be any changes to this, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So you just have to just click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also click on that bell notification so you will not miss out on any single update. And also follow our Telegram channel. Link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So above all, this week we would likely be anticipating for an higher low on GBPJPY. If we do not get the higher low this week, if we do not get the higher low this week that we are predicting for in the upper week, definitely it's in the